Worried about losing your website data? In this video, I'll show you how to back up your website on GoDaddy to keep your content safe and secure. First, log into your GoDaddy account and go to the My Products section. Find your hosting plan and click Manage. This will take you to your hosting control panel. Next, navigate to the Backup or Backup and Restore option in your cPanel. GoDaddy offers automatic backups for many hosting plans, but you can also create a manual backup whenever you need it. To create a manual backup, click on Backup or Create Backup. GoDaddy will generate a copy of your website's files and databases. Depending on the size of your site, this may take a few minutes. Once the backup is complete, you can download it to your computer or store it in cloud storage for safekeeping. Be sure to store your backups in a secure location. For additional peace of mind, you can schedule automatic backups within your GoDaddy hosting plan. This ensures your website is regularly backed up without you needing to do anything. And that's it. You've successfully backed up your website on GoDaddy, so you can restore it anytime if something goes wrong. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more GoDaddy tips and website management advice.